Where was the enthusiasm earlier, Roxy, when I had to dig all these holes? Oh no, I just killed him.
Killed it?
I ripped his head off. Just made a heck of a haul. We got a bunch of plants down here today. I think we got some strawberries. We got some orange bell peppers, jalapenos, a bunch of wildflowers so we can make the bees happy. I'm just waiting on my fiance to come out so I can get some milk and go plant the stuff before it gets dark. Oh, here she comes. I gotta lock the door. Here she is with the milk.
For the record, that didn't slow me down. What slowed me down was the fact that they only had one cashier and everyone else was self-checkout.
So we got these two. We got Habaneros. I'm gonna water them. Green onions. Habaneros and habanadas. Gotta plant out these two. Outside time. Ouch.
What did I left?
No, Roxy didn't bring out her frisbee. Yeah. Drop it. Drop. Roxy. There we go. Hold on. What? Hold on. I gotta get this out of my hands here first. Roxy, hold on. Okay. Sit. So originally, I was gonna keep this as flower beds, but I let it overgrow into whatever this is. So I gotta clear this out. What? We got plants over here. We got something. It's a little flower. I don't know what it is. In this thing. We have flowers in here already. Well, I don't know. There's something. There's purple things. It's poop. So what do you want? Your ball? Your ball? Oh. Ready? Scoot. Rip up the grass, maybe? Yeah. Guess that's what I'm doing. Ripping up the grass. It's like a baby worm. I found a worm, Leah. I found 2 worms. I found a worm and a grub. Leah, where'd you go? Look at those bugs I found. I found 2 worms and a grub. They're tiny worms. She said she wanted worms. I don't know where she put them. I'll put them on top of the soil for now. Collect some worms. Apparently. That means it's probably good soil, right? That probably means something. What a weird angle. Should I go down further, maybe? Yeah, dig. Can you dig? Can you dig in there? Dig. I'm giving you permission to dig in all yard. Can you dig? Here. You don't want to dig in there? It's so fun, though. There's worms down here, Roxy. There's so many worms. My hands are dirty. You're eating the wrong grass. I need you to dig up the grass that we're working on. Get close. So many of these little bugs. Little pill bugs. These little things right here. So many worms. Just missing out on all the worms. Those worms. Little tiny worms. I lost the worms. The worms are gone. We lost the worms. Well, there's tons of them, Louis. If you just want worms, you can come over here. There's so many worms over here. There's like probably the most worms ever. It's Worm Haven. So I'm gonna rip up this cardboard and hopefully I can rip it. Oh, perfect. Perfect cardboard ripping. Perfect cardboard ripping. And then that's as good as I'm gonna do it. Because we don't have any specific rules you have to follow. Because what? I get fired from gardening. Okay. I'm gonna grow forklifts and assistants. Put the cardboard into here, and then hopefully the grass just stays away. So we're just gonna dump dirt. Dirt. I'm going to water the soil. Roxy will help. Thank you, Roxy. Oh, you okay? Because I did not break that up over here. Break up this dirt. Sir, what are you doing? You're all wet. Now you're all wet. I just find these like pieces of paper in their soil. Thank you. Thank you for helping. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, turn it to a different setting. Careful. 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 Where was the enthusiasm earlier, Roxy, when I had to dig all these holes? Where was this enthusiasm? Where was this enthusiasm? What? Be-bomb. Oh, this isn't wet enough. I need more water. I need you not to jump on this stuff for a second, please. Hold on. I need more water in here. I want you taking everything out. It's a habanero. Do the habanero right here.
So all the little, I think all the little white bugs that we find are the pill bugs. Look.
Yeah, there's a bunch of pill bugs. I agree.
I don't like them.
You like them?
I said I don't like them.
They're those little. Oh no! Oh no! I just killed him.
You killed it?
I ripped his head off.
What? How did you do that?
Oh.
Wait, maybe it can still grow back. Probably not out here though. It has to go back in the pot. But maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe the leaves can grow roots.
Well, that's a dead one. Let's try this again.
Maybe the leaves can grow roots. Woo! Big worms.
Let's try this one again.
Big worms. You guys are going in the pots.
Okay, so you're gonna stay together this time because I don't know what took out the other one.
I missed the pot. Wait, can you reach? Or do I? You know what? You can stay. Here. You can go near. There are bugs there for you to keep off my worms.
And this little one right here, little runt. That's what happens with this one. You gonna grow a tennis ball? You gonna grow your tennis ball? Should water it. Then I'm gonna put a jalapeno over here too. Oh wait, I got two in here actually. Got the two jalapenos. They have a vast root structure. So they have a vast root structure. These jalapenos. Yeah. Hopefully I don't kill them when I rip it apart.
Oh, wait, those are jalapenos?
Yeah. I'm trying to. Okay, Roxy, okay. Let's get a close-up shot. That's a jalapeno, maybe habanero, habanada. Habanero, and then a little runt. And then there's my dead one. I got hot, banana, and Thai hot. So I'm running out of plants. So, whoa, fuzzy. Whoop. So I already forgot what this was, but I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, it's cardboard right there. So maybe build it up a little bit more. Oh, these are not gonna fare well. Open these roots up a little bit here. And then we'll put the orange bell over here. This one's just gonna have two in it.
Can you tell? Is this lemon time?
I don't know.
Does it smell lemony to you?
No.
No?
Mm-mm. I'm hoping that cardboard decomposes kind of quickly because there's cardboard showing here. We'll do this hot Thai pepper. And I'll throw those two little baby, almost dead jalapenos. Let's grab my two jalapenos that are dying. They're probably not gonna make it, but we'll try. Let's put it inside dirt, maybe. Make a ball around it. I don't know. Then we're gonna just put it into more dirt and see what happens. Okay, these are what? Sweet peppers. 6-pack burpee. Oh God. I'm sorry. There we go. Dirt. Oh, those bugs are killing me. Oh, it's strawberries. Ah, the strawberry leaf is stuck. Oh boy. That needs to be deeper. That's not great. Didn't really think that through. Let me actually dig a hole. Like this one. Oh. I don't know. Well, I'll put it in here and see what happens, just like the rest of this stuff. Dang it. It's going to be in a mound. I think I put wildflowers next to the strawberries, like on the edge. I'm gonna try it. I'd rather it be wildflowers than